Good morning, everyone. How you doing? How you doing? I've been watching too many episodes of Wendy Williams. All right. So, it's breakfast time. And I decided I wanted to make some bacon. And so to make bacon, what I do, I just line a pan up with my strips. And so I'm going to do 2 pieces per person, and then I got an extra one. My mom always likes 3, so we got 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of bacon. So I'm going to put it in a 400-degree oven for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. Alright, so I'll be back when it's done. So here's my bacon. It's nice and crispy. I did let it cool. As you can see, I'm touching the pan because I was getting something else ready to put in the oven. And it got done a little quicker than I thought. So it took about 12 minutes. But it just depends. It takes anywhere between 12 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees. And you get this lovely looking bacon. And so, you know, you just dab it off with your paper towel. And there you go, nice crisp bacon from the oven. The pan will actually clean up very nicely. Well, this is a non-stick pan. So all I'll do is just let it soak for a couple minutes and then scrub it and it's done. But if you do have a worry that it might stick, just use some foil. But I've never had a problem just scrubbing the pan. It doesn't take that long. Alright, thank you for joining me for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.